How to fix Samsung phone stuck in airplane mode. So if you want to fix the Samsung phone stuck in airplane mode, then first you need to restart your device. So to restart or reboot your device, you need to simply press and hold on to your power button for 2 to 3 seconds, and then you will get a restart or reboot button. You need to simply restart it. Once you've restarted, now the second fix is you need to turn off any third-party applications if you have on your device, or you just need to uninstall any third-party applications. So for example, I have this application, right? So you just need to simply tap and hold on to that and then tap on delete, and you need to uninstall that. So uninstall your third-party applications or just disable it, and your problem might be fixed. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, then you need to go for your settings. Once you open up your settings, scroll down, go for system. Once you're under the system or your about phone option, you need to check for any updates. So if you have any software updates, then you just need to simply go for the updates and you need to update your application. So you need to scroll down under your settings and go for system update. Once you tap on system update, it will check for any updates, and if you have any updates, then you need to update your application and your problem might be fixed. So that's how you can fix the Samsung phone stuck in airplane mode problem. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.